Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about CashCrate. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification icon to make sure you're notified when I upload a new video. I did a video on CashCrate a couple of years ago, and it was a really great way to earn extra money by filling out surveys and doing small tasks. However, after recently checking the website, you can see that it looks nothing like the previous video. I'll link the previous video right up here. And as you can see, they've kind of sold out. It's basically just a website where you click on the link to visit the program and they get a commission for you signing up. It's just like they created their own referral website. So as you can see, they have a couple of different tabs over here. There really isn't much information and they're re-showing different programs. Honestly, CashCrate used to be a really great way to earn money, and I believe that before they changed over to this new design, I had about $15 ready to cash out. But because CashCrate required a $20 minimum cash out payment, I never actually got that money. So unfortunately, if you are in the same position I'm in and you didn't get your money, we're out of luck. The thing with this new website is that you can submit a tip for different websites. If you find a website that you can actually make money from, you can submit your name, email address, and your tip right here, and I would imagine that they would add it to the website wherever they felt it was necessary to add. But overall, I mean, CashCrate is a waste of time. Sure, you can visit these programs and you can sign up for them, but as you can see, there aren't that many reviews on any of them, and honestly, I wouldn't waste my time going to CashCrate anymore for making money online. However, there are some other great ways to make money online other than this previous way of using CashCrate. You can get paid to walk using the SweatCoin app. You can fill out surveys using the OnePulse app. You can complete small tasks in the Make Money app, and there are a few others. You can check out my other videos. I put a link down in the description below. So hopefully this video has been helpful to show you that CashCrate doesn't really exist anymore the way it used to. And you can still check it out, but I really don't recommend it because none of these programs are really going to be worth your time. SwagBucks is something I've tried in the past and it's just really terrible. It takes forever to make any type of money. MyPoints, I tried it out for a couple of months, and when I got enough points to redeem, I couldn't actually redeem it because this website was broken. So honestly, I don't recommend using any of these companies on the CashCrate app, but if you do, please let me know in the comments below how it went for you, and I will make another video about CashCrate saying that it's either good or bad based on what you guys have said. So hopefully this video has been helpful. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell notification icon so that you're informed every time I update and upload a new video. I hope this video has been helpful, and I will see you guys in the next one.